Pakistan gains edge in AIP technology. Can it overwhelm Indian Navy submarines in underwater conflicts? As the Pakistan Navy's qualitative edge with a smaller yet Air Independent Propulsion (AIP) capable submarine fleet is slightly eroded following reports of being left with only 2 operational boats owing to technical and maintenance issues, the spotlight again shifts to India's fledgling submarine force. India's Times Now recently reported that of the 5 Agosta-class submarines of the Pakistan Navy, PN, 3 are either being upgraded or have defects, leaving the PN with only 2 submarines. An Agosta-90B PNS Hamza, and an Agosta-70 PNS Hashmat, both French-origin vessels. The Pakistan Navy's 5 submarines comprise 2 Agosta-70 Hashmat-class boats, the PNS Hashmat and PNS Hurmat, and 3 Agosta-90B Khalid-class vessels, the PNS Khalid, Saad, and Hamza. Of these, Hurmat has a problem with the starboard engine and electronic support measures, ESM, while Saad and Khalid are being refitted by Turkish firm STM. On the Saad, STM is making it capable of firing the Seahawk torpedoes and Babur 3 submarine-launched cruise missile (SLCM), while Khalid has facing COVID-19-induced delays. The Pakistan Navy had indigenously constructed PNS Hamza, the third in the Agosta-90B class, with naval groups Module d'Energiesis Marine Autonome (MESMA) AIP, becoming the first in South Asia to have an AIP-powered boat in September 2008. By 2011, it had retrofitted Saad and Khalid with the AIP. Pakistan is also expected to receive 8 Type 39A Yuan-class AIP-powered submarines beginning late 2023, as per a $5 billion deal with China. Construction of this hangar class will be split between the Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works and the China Shipbuilding Trading Company, CSTC. Thus by 2032, Pakistan is expected to have 11, all of them AIP-capable SSKs. In January 2017, Pakistan also successfully test-fired the Babur 3, thereby acquiring a nuclear deterrent role. This was in response to India launching its Agni ICBM a month prior on December 2016. Indian vs. Pakistan Navy. Submarine power. India's present strength of 17 submarines, 4 Submar, 8 Sindhu-Ghosh, 5 Cavalry-class and 1 INS Arahant, despite not being AIP capable, is more than capable of against just 2 Pakistan Navy submarines, whose surface arm is also not enviable. By the 2030s, when the Sindhu-Ghosh and Submar will be retired, India will have 12 submarines, comprising the 6 Cavalry-class submarines with possibly the AIP installed and the HWTs inducted, along with the 4 Arahant-class vessels and the Chakra 3. This too is a decent inventory against Pakistan's 11 submarines that includes 8 nuclear-tipped cruise missile-capable and AIP-powered hangar, Yuan-class, and 3 AIP-powered Khalid-class.